Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to find the greatest and the smallest six-digit number using the given six digits. Here I have an example of the digits 359847. Using these digits without any kind of repetition, we have to frame the greatest and the smallest six-digit number. So let's get started. While making the greatest six-digit number, what you need to do is, since this is the greatest six-digit number, since we're going to make the six-digit number, before that we make the greatest six-digit number, we need to mark the six place values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it's a six-digit number, so we have to mark the six place values first. After that, since this is the greatest six-digit number, for that you need to choose the greatest digit, which is 9 here. So fill this greatest digit the maximum place value. Okay, after that, since you can see the greatest digit has already been written here, and then rest of the digits will be written in descending order. Okay, from bigger to smaller. So after that 9, we have to choose the smaller digit, that is 8. Smaller than 8 is 7. Smaller than 7 is 5. And then smaller than 5 is 4. Smaller than 4 is 3. So this way you have to frame your greatest six-digit number using these six digits. First, you have to place the greatest digit in the maximum place value, and rest of the place values are to be occupied with the digits, keeping them in the descending order. Okay? Now let's see how to frame this smallest six-digit number using these digits. First, you need to write it properly like this. So this is 9,87,543. Now we're going to frame the smallest number. Now we have to frame the smallest six-digit number. Okay. Again, this is a six-digit number, so we need to mark six place values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now this is the smallest number, so we need to choose the smallest digit first, that is 3. So place it in the maximum place value here, 3. Since the smallest digit has come already here, then rest of the place values are to be occupied in ascending order. Okay? Remember, since we are making the smallest number, so first you need to choose the smallest digit, and rest of the digits are to be placed in your ascending order. Okay, now greater than 3 is 4, greater than 4 is 5, greater than 5 is 7, greater than 7 is 8, and further greater than 8 is 9. So this is your required number, and you have to write it properly like this. So this is 3,45,789. Okay. Now let's move to the next type, that is forming the greatest and the smallest six-digit number using the digits 35987. Now you can see, since we have to frame the six-digit number, but we are having only 5 digits, so we need to repeat a digit. That's why it is written here with repetition of any one digit. You can repeat any one digit. So let's see how to repeat and which is the digit that we have to repeat while making the greatest number and while making the smallest number. So let's get started with the greatest number. Greatest six-digit number. That means we need to mark six place values first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the greatest number, so we need to choose the greatest digit. But we need to fill the six place values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we are having only 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits only. So we're having one less, right? So what do we do in that case? We repeat. Now which is the digit we have to repeat? While you are making the greatest digit, while you are making the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit. Since we have the greatest digit 9 here, so we will repeat it like this, 2 times 9, right? Now, while making the greatest number, we arrange rest of the digits in descending order, right? Since the greatest digit has already come here, so rest of the digits are to be arranged in descending order. So now smaller than 9 is 8, smaller than 8 is 7, smaller than 7 is 5, and smaller than 5 is 3. This way you have to arrange them. So this is your required 6-digit number using the 5 digits, and we are repeating the greatest digit. Okay? Now let's see how to form the smallest 6-digit number by using just 5 digits. Okay, smallest 6-digit number. First of all, mark the 6th place values like this. Okay? Now, we have to make the smallest number, so choose the smallest digit. Since we have one digit less, so we will repeat the smallest digit. Repeat it. Okay, no need to repeat any other. Repeat the smallest digit. Now, since the smallest digit has already come here, so rest of the digits will be arranged in ascending order, right? From smaller to greater. Now, greater than 3 is 5. Greater than 5 is 7. Greater than 7 is 8. And further greater than 8 is 9. So this way you have to frame greatest 6-digit number and smallest 6-digit number using 5 digits with the repetition of the greatest digit in the case of greatest number and the repetition of the smallest digit in case of the smallest number. Okay?